What's up, guys? Today we're working on our Datsun. We're putting this T56 trans and we're going to mate it to our LS 53. We're going to be installing this flywheel clutch and pressure plate. So stay tuned, we're going to jump into it. So we're going to throw the flywheel up on here. There's a little dowel pin. Kind of aligns it. And then we have these bolts here. And I'm going to apply a little bit of blue Loctite on the thread, just a little bit. And then, since these are ARP, they say to put a little of this on the bolt head itself. So then we got our plate with our alignment tool. This bearing was already put in before the video, but make sure you put a new one in, or at least have one in there for the input shaft. And then clean your flywheel off with brake clean. And then go ahead and put your disc on. Just use this tool to align it. And then we're going to install the pressure plate. Alright guys, so now that we got the clutch installed with the new flywheel, clutch and pressure plate, we're ready to put this trans in. So we went ahead and bolted this slave on. It's just two 10mm bolts. And then we have these lines from Chase Bays. They're already pre-crimped, and these are for a 240SX LS swap, so hopefully they'll work with our Datsun. Hopefully these are the right lengths, but this is a LT1 converted to a LS input shaft, and supposedly it's been gone through, so we'll see. We're going to go ahead and shove this in, and then bolt it back up to the chassis, and then we'll get our lines hooked up. So we're going to go ahead and shove it in right now. Keep going.
What do you need?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, so we just got the trans bolted in to the motor, and then we got our motor mount hooked up, or our trans mount hooked up, and then we're going to be installing these lines. One's a remote bleeder, and then one is the clutch line, so we're going to hook these up. Hopefully all these work. And again, these are the Chase Bay kit for the 240SX, so if this works out, you guys know what to use. So we're gonna go up top, see if these hook up, and then figure out a spot for our bleeder. So the other side to the pressure line, it has like a banjo clamp style that threads into this master. So we're gonna go ahead and thread this on, and it should work alright. Alright, you guys, so I just got the bleeder extendable line mounted to the firewall, and then it's just going to get tucked under here, because we won't have to use that much except for the first bleed. So I think that's going to be it for this video of putting the new clutch in, the new clutch lines, and putting the T56 trans in. Also wanted to mention we added 4 quarts of this Datsun 4, so this should be alright. That's what we looked up and that's what it recommended. So, and then we're going to put some clutch fluid in here and bleed it, but that'll probably be a little later. So I think that's going to be it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys go check out more videos on this cool LS Datsun build. And peace.